Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to filter for specific values in Excel. So in this example data, my goal is to filter out students who are doing only Excel from column D or the subject field. To apply the filter icon, you can stand on the header row and press Ctrl-Shift-L. Ctrl-Shift-L brings the filter icon. If you press the same set of keys, it turns it off. It's a toggle, so when you turn it again, it brings it on. Now, typically, we go to the filter icon and then we type in the keyword, in this case, Excel. I expect it to bring only Excel, but it brings along Excel for work. Now, to get only Excel and not Excel for work, better way to do this is to click in the filter icon, and where it asks for the keyword in the field, you can precede your key with an asterisk. So in this case, you type in Excel. When you do this and you click OK, this time around it eliminates the Excel for work and brings you only Excel. So if you are stuck in a position where you need a specific value, you can just precede the search item with an asterisk and get it done. An alternative is you could also select an instance of the word, right click, filter, and then choose filter by selected cells value. That also saves you some time. Practice both and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll send you to our broadcast list. We send videos directly on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.